To make this hot pot trivet, you can work with either 2 strands of worsted weight yarn or 1 strand of a bulky yarn. Start with a slip knot. Start with a foundation chain as long as you would like, in any number, as long as it's an even number, so a number that can be divided by 2. So work foundation chain, and for this one I started with chain 18. Okay, after your foundation chain is worked, you're going to single crochet in the 2nd stitch from the hook, and in each stitch all the way across the row. To make a single crochet, insert the hook in the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, then pick up the yarn and pull it through both loops. So go ahead and make 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Okay, I have single crocheted in each stitch across the chain. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in that very first stitch. Triple crochet in the next stitch. To make a triple crochet, yarn around the hook 2 times. Insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through 4 loops on the hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. Single crochet in the next stitch. And that's what's going to give you that bumpy texture. Triple crochet in the next stitch, yarn around the hook 2 times, work a triple crochet, single crochet in the next stitch, and there you have 2 bumps. And you're going to continue across the row. Triple crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so continue across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. That's the underneath. You turn it over and you see you have all this bumpiness. Repeat those 2 rows for the remainder of the pattern. Chain 1 and turn, single crochet in each stitch across the row, okay, I worked all the way across the row, making a single crochet in each stitch. Now I'm going to chain 1 and turn, single crochet in the first stitch, triple crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, triple crochet in the next, and you'll continue that until your trivet is a square. And that's how quickly that works up, and when you place a hot pot on there, it will hold it up from the surface. So that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet a hot pot trivet. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.